Hi. Today in our multiplying and dividing larger numbers unit, which is Unit 7, we're going to look at Lesson 5, using patterns to multiply. And so you'll need a copy of this multiplication chart that's included in your lesson. And we're going to have a look at how numbers follow patterns. And that is true of when you're multiplying them. And so we're going to look how we can use patterns to help us solve the problem. So let's have a look at this chart. If we look going across the ways, we know we're multiplying by 10. So it makes sense that each one goes up by 10. So it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That makes total sense. You're multiplying by 10, so you're going up by 10 each time. When we're going down, here we're multiplying by 1. And so every time when we're going down, it's going up by 1 each time. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it makes sense that this bottom number is 20. So we didn't even have to multiply, although we could have gone 20 times 1 is 20 to solve that. But we can use what we know about patterns in numbers to help us solve. So on your chart, you can fill in 20 at the bottom. So let's look at the next column. Here we're multiplying by 2. So 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 13 is 26. But if we look down, you can see that we're going up each time by 2. So 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38. So what will this number be? 40, which makes sense because 20 times 2 is 40. So let's go on to the next column, and this is by multiplying by 3. And so 3 times 10, maybe let's change colors. So 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 12 is 36. Notice we're going up by 3 each time. So 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57. 3 more will be 60, which makes sense because 3 times 20 equals 60. Is this making sense? So patterns in a multiplication chart follow the same patterns that they do in other charts. So let's look at the column 4. Here we're multiplying by 4. 4 times 10 is 40. Then we're going up 4 each time. So 76, 4 more will be 80. Notice there's patterns along the bottom. Since it's 20, it's going up by 20 each time. 20, 40, 60, 80. So the next one will be 100, 120, 140, 160, 200, which makes sense because 9 times 20. Oops, good thing I checked. 160, 180. Because 20 times 9 would be 180. Good thing we checked and double-checked there. So you can pause the recording and go ahead and fill in the rest of the chart, and then we'll check it together when you're finished and you can resume play. So how did you make out? Well, did you continue going, and you can go across or either up and down? So let's do a little bit of both. So we know we're going up by 11, and I like multiplying by 11 because it's just double digits. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, and 99. Going up by 11 each time. Here we're going up by 12. On this one, it's probably easier for me to go 6 each time. So 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Plus 6 will be 78, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, be 90, 96, plus 6 will be 103, plus Another 6 will be 109, 115. Something went wrong. So let's just have a look and see what we did here. Okay, I found my mistake. So 90, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. I had put 103. 6 will be 108, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 120. Okay, the next one you're counting by 7. So 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So hope you're checking yours. This will be 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 7 more, 140. So good thing we did that bottom number because it can be our checker. So up by 8. So 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So this will be 104. This will be 112. This will be 120. 128, 136, 144, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, and then 160. And then up by 9s, 99. So this will be 108, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This will be 126. And how I'm doing is just going, looking at my ones and making them one less. So 135, 144, 153, 162, 171, and 180. So we can use patterns in charts to help us discover the facts in multiplication, or the products. So in the Connect, which is in your textbook on page 293, it says you can use patterns and mental math to multiply. So if you're doing this example first, 6 times 79, 79 is 1 less than 80, so 6 times 79 is 6 less than 6 times 80. 6 times 80 is 480, and then you subtract 6. So 480 take away 6 is 474. So 6 times 79 is 474. So you're using what you know. 6 times 80, 480 minus 6 equals 474. Here we're going 8 times 42. So 42 is 2 more than 40. So 8 times 42 is 8 times 40 plus 8 times 2. So 8 times 40 is 320. Add 8 times 2, which is 16. So 320 plus 16 is 336. So 8 times 42 is 336. So if that is a strategy that you would like to use, you can. For me, I prefer to multiply the short way. 42 times 8, 16. 4 times 8, 32, plus 1 more, 33. To me, this is faster than this. It's totally up to you. If you want to use the short way to multiply, you can. If you want to use patterns to multiply, you can. So choose a strategy that works best for you. The short way for multiplication works best for me. So question 1 says, multiply, what patterns do you see? Well, on this one, I would go 99, and notice how I'm writing it up and down, and I'm lining up my ones. So 99 times 2. Okay, 9 times 2 is 18, carry the 1. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 1 is 19. So I know that A is 198. I know, do you notice that they're multiplying always by 99 and they're going up by 1 each time? So I know that B will be 99 plus 198. It'll be 99 more because it's 3 groups of 99. So if you prefer adding, you can do that. So 99 more. So 8 plus 9, sorry, is 17. 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 more is 19. 297. So it'll go up by 99 each time. So what patterns do you see? It'll go up by 99 each time. And if you look at the numbers, so 98, 97, what do you think this one will be? C will be 96 with a 3 in front. D will be 95 with a 4 in front. And E will be 94 with a 5 in front. So you won't even have to figure them out. You can look at patterns to see how to solve. So that's question 1 in your assignment. Your assignment is on page 294, 295, numbers 1 through 6. And then at the end of your lesson, I've given you more practice sheets. So that was question 1. So let's go back and look at a few more questions. Question 4 says, how can you tell what the ones digit of a product of the product of 53 times 7 will be without solving the whole problem? Well, we can just multiply the ones. 3 times 7 is 21. What will the ones digit be? It will be a 1. Did you have to solve the problem? No. You just had to multiply the 7 times 3, the two numbers that were in the ones digit. So that's all they want in question 4. Question 5 says, these numbers are from one row of a multiplication chart. What number is being multiplied? Well, you have to see how many numbers are between 117 and 126. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There's 9. Let's see if that works for between the other ones. So 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Another 9. So what number is being multiplied? They're multiplying by 9. How do you know? Well, I just added to see how many numbers I just added to see how many numbers were between each number in the chart. So I just counted on. You could also subtract. You could go 126, take away 117. So equals 9. So to me, to count on is easier for me than to do a 3-digit subtraction. So I just counted on. So that's question 5. Let's have a look at 6. I've included a copy of this chart in your lesson plan, so you're welcome to use that rather than drawing your own. So we can use what we know about patterns. So the first one is 2 times 60 is 120. We know all of these numbers, you're skip counting by 2. So 22, 120, 122, 124, 126, 128, 130. I didn't even need to multiply to figure those out. Here, all of them will go up by 3. It doesn't give us the first one, so we need to subtract 3. So this will be 180. These ones, we add 3, 89, 90, 91, 92, and so on. So use what you know. On 6 and 7, there aren't any numbers, so you can do it either 2 ways. You can go 60 times 6 to get your first number, or you can add 300 plus 60, which would be 360, and so on. And then 60 times 7, well, that's easy. We know it's 42, so this one will be 420. So use what you know. Going down, you're adding by 60 each time. Going across, you're adding by 2 each time. So you can use what you know about patterns to solve that chart. So what is your assignment again? You're going to complete pages 294, 295, numbers 1 to 6. And also in your lesson plan, I've included some more practice sheets with multiplying the short way. Just one reminder, if you're going to multiply the short way, and let's say it's 6 times 43, rewrite it so the 43, the two-digit number is on top, the single digit is below, and those numbers line up in tens and ones. Okay, so make sure you line them up that way, and then multiply the short way. So good luck with using patterns to multiply, and goodbye for today.